Okay, good afternoon to one and all. So, in the previous lecture, we have started the point that is commutation. So, in that, we have seen the definition of commutation. That is, commutation means what? What is commutator? This point we have already discussed in the construction, and the function of commutator is also discussed in the construction. Okay, so commutator, it is a cylindrical drum-like structure which is mounted on a shaft, and it is having a number of segment. So this number of segment, it is equal to that of number of coils in that machine. So this commutator segment, it is insulated from the shaft also, as well as it can be insulated from each other also. जेवढे काही number of commutator segment असतील, this commutator segment, it can be insulated from each other also, as well as it is insulated from the shaft also. shaft पासून पण insulate केलेले असतील, आणि it is insulated from the from each and every segment also. So there are different types of insulation used. So here we consider the mica insulation, it can be used. Okay, now in this I have already discussed the definition of the commutation. Commutation, it is nothing but the reversal of current in the coil. That is reversal of current in the armature coil, when the coil, it can be passing from one pole to another pole. Okay, coil, it can be passing from one pole to another pole. So this process, it is called as commutation process. Simply, the commutation, it is nothing but it is the reversal of current in the coil. Suppose positive current is there, positive I ampere current is there, it can be converted into a negative I, or it will change its direction while it will be passing from one pole to another pole. एका पोल पासून दुसऱ्या पोल कडे पास होत असताना it is changes its direction. So this process, it is called as commutation. And this coil, it will get short circuited for that commutating action. So this period, it is called as commutation period. Okay, so that means the coil, it can be short circuited. For which coil undergo commutation, it will be short circuited. So this coil, how much time it is get short circuited, so this time it is called as commutation period. So this is also we have discussed in previous class. Now consider, we will see the details. Before discussing about the details, I will tell how it will be happen. See, consider, I will draw here. So consider two coils or two commutator segment. Suppose commutator segment A and commutator segment B. So see, I will draw here. This one is the commutator segment 1. Again, this one is the commutator segment 2. Okay, suppose here it is A commutator segment, here it is B commutator segment. Okay, now each and every conductor, so this one is one type of ring, and this ring, it can be splitted into two part. So it is like a slip ring. Okay, so this is nothing but we can generally call it as a slip ring, and brushes are pressed against that slip ring to collect the current from that of armature. Armature चा current collect करण्यासाठी here it is brush, it can be used. Now consider a simple loop generator or a single turn generator. For that we will take only one turn. Only one turn, it is nothing but two conductor, that is conductor 1 and conductor 2. Suppose this brushes, it is fed a current to that of external circuit having an resistor R. एखादा R resistance आहे, त्या resistance ला this will flow a current. So see, suppose this is P brush and here it is Q brush, that is brushes P and Q. This one is the suppose this is a P brush, is nothing but positive brush. This one is the Q brush, is nothing but negative brush. Okay, that means current, it will be flowing from, as I have told that in the previous lecture, current in the coil, that is current in the armature, it will be flowing either towards that of positive brush or it is away from that of negative brush. Negative brush away, that means it towards the positive brush. That means the direction of that current flowing, it will be like this. याच्यामधून फ्लो होणारी जी काही direction असेल, it will be like this. So the conductor 1 carry the current in this direction and conductor 2 carry the current in this direction. So conductor 1 carry the current in the downward direction conductor 2, it will carry the current in the upward direction. So this will be this cycle, it will be completed. That means the current, it will be always flowing towards the positive brush, towards the positive brush, or it is away from that of negative brush. Away from that of negative brush is nothing but again towards the positive brush. ती जी काय current flow ची direction असेल, this direction, it is nothing but from negative to positive, or it is towards the positive brush. Positive brush कडे flow होईल. Now see, and here I will draw here, that is this coil having an now this is under N pole, and here it is under S pole. This part, it is rotating part. So brushes P and brushes Q are stationary. These are the stationary. Okay. So brushes are stationary. All other part, that means commutator segment and the conductor, it will be rotating. So rotating part hai because it is mounted on that of armature, or it may be shaft. Okay. Now brushes P and Q are stationary, and consider here a single turn generator with conductor 1 and 2. At that situation, the conductor 1 carry a current in the downward direction, and the conductor 2, it will be carry the current in the upward direction. Okay. So now under the first one instant, that means when the first instant current flowing through the resistance R, it is like this. Resistance R madun flowणारा current, it will be from positive P brush to negative Q brush. Okay. Now when the armature of the machine, it will be rotating. Armature ज्यावेळेस rotate होते, at that situation the coil direction or the conductor 1, it will be under the influence of S pole, and conductor 2 under the influence of N pole. बघा पहिल्या कंडिशन मध्ये, suppose I have considered this figure 1. ही फिगर 1 कन्सिडर केली. या कंडिशन मध्ये दिस कंडक्टर 1, हा 1 कंडक्टर आहे कोणत्या पोलच्या इन्फ्लुएन्स मध्ये? इन विच पोल? हॅलो,
North.
हा, that means it is in N pole. Now this conductor 1, it is in the influence of N pole, and conductor 2, it is in the influence of S pole. Now when the commutator, it is rotating, ज्यावेळेस याचं रोटेटिंग होईल, at that situation it shifted its position काय will shift होईल बघा. that means suppose here it is N pole, this is a stator part, here it is S pole. Now these are the rotating part, that means this one is the one turn, and again here it is the commutator segment. Okay, this one is the brushes, that is brush are stationary. I am telling brushes are stationary, that is P and Q हे stationary position ला असतील. चेंजेस काय काय होईल? कंडक्टरची पोझिशन चेंज होईल, as well as the commutator segment, it will be also changes. Sorry, commutator segment, it is connected to coil, its position is also changes. So that means here it is BL, here it is A position. Now the conductor 1, it will be under the influence of S pole, and conductor 2 under the influence of N pole. So see, the current flowing through the that means a conductor or the coil, it is always towards the positive brush. Okay, always towards the positive brush. म्हणजे करंटची डिरेक्शन कशी असेल? दिस P इज पॉझिटिव्ह आहे, मी सांगितलं, Q इज निगेटिव्ह आहे. करंटची डिरेक्शन कशी असेल? रेजिस्टन्स मधून इकडून इकडं ना. हॅलो,
Yes, sir.
that means the current flowing from resistance, it is in that direction. So that's why the current towards the positive brush, and current, it will be away from that of negative brush, that is Q brush. So at that situation, direction of current, so conductor 1 carry the current in the upward direction, similarly conductor 2 carry the current in the downward direction. Cycle complete होईल बघा. इथून इथं current flow होईल, इथून Q to conductor 1, conductor 1 to 2. that means conductor 1, it will carry a current in upward direction, conductor 2, it will carry a current in the downward direction. See, compare this figure 1 and figure 2, that means figure 1 and the figure 2. In case of figure 1, conductor 1, it will be carry the current in downward direction. Okay, so in case of figure 2, the conductor 1, it will carry a current in upward direction. That means when the reversal of current, it will be happen when the coil it can be changes or it is under the influence of one pole to another pole. एका पोलच्या इन्फ्लुएन्स पासून दुसऱ्या पोलच्या इन्फ्लुएन्स कडे कॉइल गेली, it will changes its direction. Okay, getting it is simple funda. We will see the details how it can be changes its direction and how the unidirectional current it can be obtained. So this is nothing but the unidirectional current, or it may be h direction upward will. Similarly, if we take a multiple conductor घेतलं की त्याची डिरेक्शन परत काय होते, रिव्हर्स होते. So that means suppose current generated in that of armature it is in the sinusoidal wave, but the current after commutator it is like in the DC form, that is it is a direct current. It will be like this. Okay, ha current it will be like this, or the current flowing through that of resistance मधून फ्लो होणारा करंट काय असेल, DC च्या फॉर्म मध्ये असेल, or it is directly. So this is nothing but rectifier action, or the commutator it will be act as a rectifier, that is it will convert the alternating quantity into an direct quantity or direct current. Okay, now see, we will see the details as we have discussed in the previous one. Already आपण previous lecture मध्ये introduction घेतलेली, what is mean by commutation and this. So direction of the current it will be changes, like suppose the positive direction is there, it is positive direction is there, so this direction it can be converted into a negative direction, or it is unidirectional direction it can be obtained. Unidirectional direction मिळते. So see, we will see the details. Okay, see, if this reversal, that means if this reversal of current, that is a positive current to the negative current, or it may be direction it can be changed within that commutation period, then this commutation it is called as ideal commutation. Okay, so हे जे काय commutation आहे, if this commutation it will be happen in the commutation period, जर ते commutation period मध्येच complete झालं, then this commutation it is called as ideal commutation. Now if this reversal of current it cannot be completed within that commutation time or commutation period, or it is called as short circuit period, then there may be sparking it will be happen. काहीतरी काय will sparking will in between the brushes and the commutator segment. Brush आणि commutator segment च्या मध्ये काय होईल, sparking happen होईल. So its result is that either it may be damage the commutator segment, or it will be damage the brushes, or sometimes it will damage the both. एकतर त्याच्यामुळे काय होईल, जर स्पार्किंग हॅपन झालं, it will damage the both, or it may be sometimes commutator segment, or it will damage the brushes also. Okay, so this is one point. That means okay, see, now let us discuss this commutation process. That means we want to discuss this commutation process, or the action of commutator in details, or the current reversal. It is in the more detail with the help of a figure. I will show the figure where the ring winding has been used for our simplicity. Ring type of winding it is used for a simplicity. Now see, in the previous lecture I have tell one sentence is that the width of brush, that means brush width, it is equal to the width of commutator segment and 1 mica insulation. Brush ची जी काही width असेल, this width of brush it is equals to the width of commutator segment plus 1 mica insulation. म्हणजे commutator segment जे आहे, so commutator segment, and in case of commutator segment, see, suppose here it is one of the commutator segment is there, हा commutator segment आहे, आणि या दोन्हीच्या मध्ये सम ऑफ द 1 mica insulation आहे. सो द ब्रशची विड्थ काय असेल, एका कम्युटेटर सेगमेंटची विड्थ प्लस 1 mica insulation, म्हणजे ब्रश एवढा असेल. गेटिंग, लक्षात येते का बघा, दोन कम्युटेटर सेगमेंट मधलं जेवढे इन्सुलेशन प्लस एका कम्युटेटर सेगमेंटची विड्थ. सो दिस इज द विड्थ ऑफ ब्रश. See, the brush width it is equal to the width of one commutator segment and 1 mica insulation. Okay, 1 mica insulation. So see, Now for our understanding, here the figure it can be shown. Consider a coil B which is undergo commutation or which is a short circuited because brush is about the come in touch with the commutator segment A. See, here it is coil B is there. Here ही coil commutation process मध्ये आहे असं consider करूया. This coil it is an undergo commutation. Now that is coil B. So see, consider for that there are two pole generator. If it is wave connected, then the number of parallel path it is equals to 2. If it is lap connected, in case of two pole generator, L is equals to P, so the parallel path it is equals to again 2. Sorry, I have written 4. Parallel path it is equals to 2. So 2 parallel path is nothing but, suppose armature current is 40 ampere, it will divides in the two types, that is IA by 2. IA by 2 is nothing but 40 divided by 2 is nothing but one parallel path carry a current 20 ampere, another one parallel path carry a current 20 ampere. 20 ampere current एका parallel path मधून flow होईल, 20 ampere current दुसऱ्या parallel path मधून flow होईल, that means adjacent parallel path, and the total current flowing through the armature it is equals to 40 ampere. Armature मधून flow होणारा total current जो असेल 40 ampere. If we consider a two pole generator, it is depends upon winding कशी connect केले त्याच्यावरती पण depend राहील how many number of parallel path, because in the previous lecture I have tell that in case of wave winding A is equals to 2, in case of lap winding A is equals to P. जर पोल बदलले तर लॅप मध्ये कनेक्ट केलं असेल तर त्याचे पॅरल पाथ चेंज होतील. ओके, सी फॉर आवर अंडरस्टँडिंग, कन्सिडर अ कॉइल बी इट इज अबाउट to be short circuited because brush is about to come in touch with the commutator segment A. See, मी काय सांगितलं, this is suppose here it is commutator segment C, this commutator segment B, this commutator segment A. So there are multiple segment, it is depends upon number of coil, and this is the brush. हा जो काय आहे रेड कलर दाखवलेला आहे, so this is nothing but brush. brush ची width किती आहे? So width of that commutator segment plus 1 mica insulation. So या दोन्हीच्या मध्ये जे काही इन्सुलेशन असेल त्या इन्सुलेशनची width प्लस या सेगमेंटची width, एवढी width कशाची असेल? या ब्रशची असेल. म्हणजे ब्रश काय असेल? ब्रश इट इज हॅव्हिंग एन width, इट इज इक्वल्स टू द width of commutator segment प्लस width of 1 mica insulation. इन्सुलेशनची जेवढी काय width असेल. ओके, नाउ सी, consider this coil B, it is undergo commutation. Consider this coil B, it is under a commutation, and each coil it will carry a 20 ampere because we have considered here there are two parallel path. याच्यामध्ये दोन parallel path आहेत किंवा A is equals to 2 आहे असं consider केलं, and the total current it will be flowing from armature or the brush towards the load, it is nothing but sum of this current flowing from each coil. दोन्ही coil मधून flow होणारा current. Now see in this first figure or the first situation, या पहिल्या situation मध्ये, now see in this first one situation, that is current flowing from coil A, it is in this direction. कोणत्या direction मध्ये? It is 20 ampere. प्रत्येक coil मधून flow होणारा current किती? 20 ampere. Now current flowing from this coil, it is nothing but 20 ampere in this direction. This coil is undergo commutation. When the brush it will be touches to that of commutator segment A and commutator segment B. याच्या कोपऱ्याला टच झालेला आहे. टोटल इट इज टचेस ऑन द कम्युटेटर सेगमेंट बी प्लस 1 मायका इन्सुलेशन म्हणजे याच्या कॉर्नरला टच झालेला आहे. ओके, नाउ दिस करंट इट विल बी इन द रिव्हर्स डिरेक्शन, that is in the coil C the current it will be reverse direction. So total current flowing from the armature, याच्यामधून जो काय फ्लो होणारा टोटल करंट असेल, it is nothing but 40 ampere. See, it is assumed that each coil carries a 20 ampere. For our example or for our understanding purpose, we have taken there 20 ampere current flowing from each coil. Okay, प्रत्येक coil मधून 20 ampere current flow होतोय असं consider केलं, so that current flowing to the external circuit via brush it is equals to 40 ampere. Okay, brush पासून लोड कडे जो काय फ्लो होणारा करंट असेल, this current it is 40 ampere. Now again this part it is rotating. हा कम्युटेटर सेगमेंट आणि त्याच्यामधल्या जे काही कॉइल असतील, बिकॉज इट इज आर्मेचर आर पार्ट आर रोटेटिंग. सपोज दिस रोटेटिंग इन दिस डिरेक्शन, या डिरेक्शन मध्ये रोटेट होतोय. म्हणजे हा फॉरवर्ड मूव होईल. नाव सी ब्रशेस आर स्टेशनरी as I have already tell now only, that is brushes, it is stationary. Now see, it is so because every coil meeting at the brush supplies half the brush current, whether lap winding or wave winding. Okay, lap winding असेल किंवा wave winding असेल, for two pole generator it will supply a half current toward the brush, and total current carrying from the brush it is equals to brush जो कोई total current carry करेल, so this total current flowing through the brush, it is nothing but sum of these two current, that is 40 ampere. Now see, this is first one figure. Now when this armature is rotating, आता armature काय होतं याचं, rotate होतंय. Now prior to the beginning of the short circuit, म्हणजे coil short circuit होण्याच्या अगोदर, coil B belongs to the group of coil laying to the left of the brush and carries 20 ampere from left to the right. Okay, at that situation ही coil काय करते, left कडून right कडे 20 ampere current काय करते, फ्लो करते, किंवा या coil मधून 20 ampere current flow होतोय. In this left to right direction, this current is reversal current, and total current flowing from brush is nothing but 40 ampere. Okay, now see, now then next one figure, that is when the armature it is rotating, ज्यावेळेस armature rotate होतोय. हॅलो, okay, see, when the armature it can be rotating, ज्यावेळेस armature rotate होतोय, that means commutator segment is also rotating. Okay, commutator segment पण काय होईल, rotate होईल. So at that situation I will tell you. See, in the figure second, in this figure second, or in this figure B, the coil B has entered its commutation period or the short circuit period. Okay, बघा इथं या डायग्राम मध्ये दाखवलेलं आहे. सो व्हेन द आर्मेचर इज रोटेटिंग, ज्यावेळेस हा आर्मेचर रोटेट होईल, म्हणजे हा आर्मेचर या डिरेक्शन न रोटेट झाला, this brush it is stationary. At that situation, this brush it will be touches to the some part of commutator segment A and some part of commutator segment B. Commutator segment B च्या काही पार्टला टच आहे, and commutator segment A च्या so minimum or small partला टच आहे. At that situation, this coil it will get short circuited, or this coil it is under commutation. ती coil काय आहे, commutation मध्ये आहे असं लक्षात येईल आपल्याला. Okay, now that means for our understanding, if we consider this brush, it can be touches to the commutator segment B to the 1/3 to the commutator segment A and 3/4 to the commutator segment B. Commutator segment B ला हा brush म्हणजे 75% टच झालेला आहे, and here it is 25% touch झाले, म्हणजे 1/3 part, or it may be 75% part. Okay, so see, the current through the coil B has reduced down from 20 ampere to the 10 ampere. Okay, see, at that situation मगाशी coil B मधून फ्लो होणारा करंट जो होता, it is 20 ampere होता. Now the current flowing from coil B it is 10 ampere, and it is reduced from 20 ampere to 10 ampere. म्हणजे 20 ampere फ्लो होत होता, या सिच्युएशनला तो करंट काय होईल, रिड्यूस होईल. Why it will be happen, काय असं होतं? See, that means do you know that the equation of resistance, what is the equation of resistance? What is the equation of resistance? R is equals to rho L divided by A. Okay, that means see, the commutator segment and the brush it will be touches to that of commutator segment 1 brush, it will be touches to that of commutator segment 1, it is 1/3 part, and the brush touches to the commutator segment B, it is 3/4 part. Okay, म्हणजे याचा 75% पार्ट आहे, याचा 25% पार्ट आहे. So that means area of this it is small, high area small असेल, this area it is greater, Okay, this area it should be greater, that means area increase zala. What about resistance? If the area increases, what about resistance?
Decreases.
Decreases. So resistance decreases, that means what about current?
Increases.
Current increases. See, if the area, contact area between this commutator segment is greater, that means the resistance of that coil or of that commutator segment it is less. If the resistance of that coil it is less, that means this commutator segment it will carry a maximum current. Okay, याच्यापेक्षा जास्त करंट इथं फ्लो होईल. सिमिलरली इथं इथलं एक्झाम्पल घ्या. Here it is area it is less, that means the resistance it is more. If the resistance it is more, that means current flowing from that it is less. So that means या commutator segment मधून 10 ampere current flow होतो आणि या commutator segment मधून 30 ampere current flow होईल. So total current flowing through the brush it is equals to 40 ampere. ब्रश मधून फ्लो होणारा करंट जो काही फ्लो होतोय इट विल नॉट चेंज. फक्त कॉइलच्या पॅरल पाथ मधून फ्लो होणारा करंट काय होईल, चेंज होईल. सी, पहिल्यांदा या कॉइल मधून 20 एम्पियर फ्लो होत होता. नाव इट इज रिड्यूस्ड. ह्या कॉइलचा 20 एम्पियर आहे, याच्यामधला 10 एम्पियर इकडे फ्लो होतोय, 10 एम्पियर इकडे फ्लो होतोय. सो इथं जर सम यूज केली, केसीएल व्हेरीफाय होतोय. इनकमिंग इज इक्वल्स टू सम ऑफ आउटगोइंग, दॅट इज 20, इट इज इक्वल्स टू 10 plus 10, that means 20. Okay, so similarly this one is the 20 and here it is 10. It is nothing but current flowing from this is nothing but 30. So the total current flowing toward the brush it is equals to 40 ampere. Okay, so this is condition. Next condition. Now if again armature is rotated, okay, that means if the armature it is again rotated and the area of contact of the brush is more with the segment B than the segment A, it receives the 30 ampere from the former and the total again being a 40 ampere. So for this explanation for this figure. Now when the again armature it will get rotated. Okay, परत armature काय होते, rotate होते, that means it is continuously rotating. So at that situation, see in the figure 27.10 C shows that the coil B is in the middle of its short circuit period and the current through it has decreased to 0. See at that situation, आता B coil मधून फ्लो होणारा करंट नाव काय झालं, आर्मेचर रोटेट झाला, या डिरेक्शन न रोटेट होईल. So at that situation, suppose we take the brush, it will be touches to the half of commutator segment B and the half of commutator segment A. commutator segment च्या half ला टच झालेला आहे, commutator segment B च्या पण half ला टच झाले. That means both the commutator segment it will carry area, it will be equal. दोन्हीचा एरिया काय इक्वल आहे. So that resistance it will be equal. Resistance it will be equal. That means each parallel path carry a current same. Okay, that means the commutator segment A it will carry a 20 ampere and the commutator segment B it will carry a 20 ampere and the total current flowing through the brush it is equals to 40 ampere. Okay, it is equals to 40 ampere. Total current flowing through that of brush it is equals to 40 ampere. Now see at that situation what is the current through the coil B? Coil B मध्ये किती करंट असेल? या कंडिशनला कॉइल बी मधून किती करंट फ्लो होतोय? 0. Okay, that means at that situation current flowing from coil B it is equals to 0. या कॉइल मधून फ्लो होणारा करंट काय आहे? 0 आहे, कारण हा 20 एम्पियर adjacent कॉइल मधून फ्लो होतोय. इट विल डायरेक्टली फ्लोज फ्रॉम दिस पॅरलल पाथ. हा कॉइल मधला रिव्हर्स डिरेक्शनचा करंट इट विल बी डायरेक्टली फ्लोइंग फ्रॉम दिस वन, याच्यामधून फ्लो होतोय. सो द टोटल करंट फ्लोइंग थ्रू दिस इट इज नथिंग बट 40 ampere. Now similarly see the two currents of value 20 ampere each, it will be passed to the brush directly from coil A and coil C and the current flowing from coil B it is equals to 0 ampere. Okay, current flowing from coil B it is equals to 0 ampere. So the brush contact area with the two segment B and A are equal. दोन्हीचा जो काय brush contact area it is equal, so that each parallel path carry a equal current अँड दोज कॉइल म्हणजे जी कॉइल कम्युटेशन प्रोसेस मध्ये आहे किंवा शॉर्ट सर्किट पिरियड मध्ये आहे, दिस कॉइल कॅरी अ करंट 0 ऍट दिस मोमेंट. या मोमेंटला ही कॉइल करंट किती कॅरी करते? 0 कॅरी करते. ओके, नाउ सी नेक्स्ट वन. इफ अगेन आर्मेचर इट विल गेट रोटेटेड, म्हणजे परत रोटेट होते आर्मेचर. सो फॉर दॅट अगेन आर्मेचर इट विल गेट रोटेटेड. I will clear this. Okay, see. Okay, so see in that again armature it will be get rotated, म्हणजे armature परत rotate झालं. At that situation armature it will be rotated in this direction. या direction ला rotate होईल. Brushes are stationary. Brushes काय आहेत? Stationary position ला आहेत. Or brush it is at stationary position. Now the commutator segment A or brush it can be touches to the commutator segment having a maximum area. Okay, कम्युटेटर सेगमेंट ए ला ज्यावेळेस ब्रश टच होत आहेत, पहिल्यांदा हाफ हाफ होतो दोन्ही, परत कम्युटेटर रन झालं या डिरेक्शन. सो इट विल टचेस टू दिस पार्ट, या पार्टला टच होईल अँड इट विल टचेस 1/3 पार्ट ऑफ कम्युटेटर सेगमेंट बी and 3/4 part of commutator segment A. Okay, at that situation, see, at that situation again according to the relation R is equals to rho L divided by A, rho L divided by A. If the area is greater, that means resistance is less. Resistance is less, that means this parallel path carry a current maximum. So see, याचा एरिया जास्त आहे म्हणजे करंट फ्लोइंग जास्त होणार याच्यामधून. सो दॅट करंट फ्लोइंग फ्रॉम this parallel path it is 30 ampere and current flowing from this one is the 10 ampere. So current flowing through the commutator segment B it is 10 ampere and current flowing through the commutator segment it is 30 ampere. So the total current flowing through the brush it is equals to 40 ampere. Okay, so it is according to this relation. Now see, at that situation या कॉइल मधला 20 एम्पियर आहे या डिरेक्शन मधून, मग याच्यामधून तर 30 फ्लो होतोय. मग इथला बी कॉइल मधला करंट अगोदर किती होता? 0 होता या डिरेक्शन. मग इथं मला 30 साठी याच्यामधून 10 फ्लो व्हायला पाहिजे. सो दॅट 10 एम्पियर दिस करंट इट विल बी फ्लोइंग फ्रॉम दिस डिरेक्शन. या डिरेक्शन 10 एम्पियर करंट फ्लो होईल अँड रिमेनिंग 10 एम्पियर it will from this 20 ampere remaining 10 ampere it will be flowing from this. So the total current flowing from brush it is equals to 40 ampere. Okay, so see, करंट बी कॉइल मधून ज्यावेळेस कम्युटेशन प्रोसेसला स्टार्ट झालं त्यावेळेस कॉइल बी मधून करंट कोणत्या डिरेक्शनला फ्लो होत होता? हॅलो, ज्यावेळेस कम्युटेशन प्रोसेस स्टार्ट झाली at the time of starting or the coil B it is undergo commutation. At that situation current flowing from the coil B in which direction? कोणत्या डिरेक्शन न फ्लो होत होता? एनीवन? फॉरवर्ड डिरेक्शन और बैकवर्ड डिरेक्शन? I think no one is understand. Please give me reply. Forward direction, no? So see, well that means when the coil it is undergo commutation, at that situation current flowing from this coil B it is in forward direction. Now see in this figure D, या figure D मध्ये this current it will get reverse. हा करंट काय झाला? रिव्हर्स झाला. सो इट विल फ्लोइंग इन द रिव्हर्स डिरेक्शन. रिव्हर्स डिरेक्शन न काय होतोय? फ्लो होतोय. ओके, सो दिस करंट इट विल बी फ्लोइंग इन द रिव्हर्स डिरेक्शन. सो सी द कॉइल बी नाउ कॅरीज अ 10 एम्पियर इन द रिव्हर्स डिरेक्शन. हा जो काय 10 एम्पियर करंट आहे, दिस कॉइल इट विल बी कॅरी अ रिव्हर्स डिरेक्शन and which combines with the 20 ampere supplied by the coil A to make up a 30 ampere. Ha 10 ampere and this one is the 20 ampere. So the total current flowing through this parallel path it is equals to 30 ampere. So remaining 10 ampere, या 10 ampere चा या 20 ampere मधून हा 10 ampere इकडे जातोय. Remaining 10 ampere it will be flowing from this line. So the current flowing through the commutator segment B, it is 10 ampere. So the total current flowing from this brush or total current to the external circuit, it is 40 ampere. Okay, so see the other 10 ampere, it is supplied by a coil C and passes from the segment B to the brush, again giving a total of 40 ampere at the brush. म्हणजे ब्रशचा करंट चेंज झाला का याच्यामध्ये, ओनली करंट इट विल बी चेंजिंग फ्रॉम कॉइल मधला करंट चेंज होतोय. नाउ सी in the last one figure, that is last one, again armature it will be get rotated, परत armature rotate झालं. Okay, now in that situation परत armature काय होईल, rotate होईल. So it will rotating in this like direction. Now this will brushes, it will be makes connection, it will be like this. ब्रशचं कनेक्शन काय होईल, इट इज त्याची विड्थ काय आहे, एका कम्युटेटर सेगमेंटची विड्थ प्लस 1 मायका इन्सुलेशनची विड्थ. सो इट विल बी लाइक दिस. at that situation the brush it is totally in contact with commutator segment A. okay, हा जो काय ब्रश असेल totally it is in contact with commutator segment A, so that the commutator segment A it will carry a total current of 40 ampere. So 20 ampere from this coil A and 20 ampere from this coil B. So the current in the coil B it is reversed in the opposite direction. Okay, current in the coil it is reversed in the opposite direction. So this is nothing but the reversal of current within the fraction of second or within the fraction of time. This process it is called as commutation. ही जी काय प्रोसेस असेल, this process it is called as commutation process. Okay, लक्षात येते का तुमच्या? हॅलो. सो सी या फिगर मध्ये या कॉइल मधून फ्लो होणारा करंट 20 एम्पियर बॅकवर्ड डिरेक्शन न, या कॉइल मधून फ्लो होणारा करंट 20 एम्पियर बॅकवर्ड डिरेक्शन न. अगेन परत पुढच्या कम्युटेटर सेगमेंटला कन्सिडर केलं. आता हे ए बी सी कन्सिडर केलेत. सपोज आय हॅव कन्सिडर हियर डी, हा डी कम्युटेटर सेगमेंट आहे. परत त्याच्यामध्ये प्रोसेस सेम, याचा पार्ट इथं टच झालाय. जर ब्रश या पोझिशनला आला, दॅट मीन्स 1/3 ऑफ पार्ट कम्युटेटर सेगमेंट डी and 3/4 part of the commutator segment A. Again same, the current flowing from that coil it is also reversed. या coil मधून फ्लो होणारा करंट पण काय होईल, रिव्हर्स होईल. So this will happen for a number of coil. जेवढ्या काही कॉइल्स असतील त्या कॉइल साठी सेम प्रोसेस होईल. दॅट मीन्स दिस कॉइल it will get undergo short circuit period or undergo commutation period. while the commutation it can be happen, ज्यावेळेस कम्युटेशन होते त्यावेळेस ती कॉइल, each and every coil it will undergo commutation to convert AC into DC, that is alternating current. It can be converted into an direct current. Direct current मध्ये current will, that is reversal of current in the coil. When the coil it will be passing from one pole to another pole or one brush axis or along with that of brush axis to that of magnetical neutral axis. मॅग्नेटिकल न्यूट्रल ऍक्सिस आणि ब्रश ऍक्सिसच्या अलॉंग मध्ये ज्यावेळेस एका कॉइल एका पोल कडून दुसऱ्या पोल कडे ज्यावेळेस दॅट मीन्स कॉइल पास होते, ऍट दॅट सिच्युएशन इट विल गेट रिव्हर्स्ड इट्स डिरेक्शन ऑफ करंट. करंटची डिरेक्शन काय होईल, रिव्हर्स होईल. नाउ सी दिस प्रोसेस, ही जी काय प्रोसेस आहे, इफ दिस प्रोसेस ऑफ कम्युटेशन इफ इट इज हॅपन इन द कम्युटेशन पिरियड, म्हणजे एका स्पेसिफिक कम्युटेशन पिरियड मध्ये जर कंप्लीट झाली, कम्युटेशन पिरियड without any sparking, then this process it is called as ideal commutation. Okay, if this process it will be happen within the commutation period, so this is called as ideal commutation. Okay, this is called as ideal commutation, but this will not happen like this. So there are some of the practical difficulties is there. So practical difficulties असतात because बघा, बिकॉज ज्या वेळेस हा कम्युटेटर सेगमेंट आहे, दॅट इज कम्युटेटर सेगमेंट एक कन्सिडर करा. एक कम्युटेटर सेगमेंट याचं काहीतरी इन्सुलेशन आहे आणि इथून इथपर्यंतचा कम्युटेटर सेगमेंट बी. ओके, आणि ब्रश याला अटॅच आहेत आता सध्या, बरोबर. म्हणजे टोटली इट इज कनेक्टेड टू दॅट ऑफ कम्युटेटर सेगमेंट ए and at the end point of commutator segment B. Okay, commutator segment B च्या end point ला connected आहे हा brush आहे असं consider करा. Okay, now the brush it will be release the connection of this commutator segment B. ज्यावेळेस या brush चं commutator segment B चं connection lost होईल किंवा आपण त्याच्यापासून move होणार आहे. At that situation there is a sometimes sparking will be happen. Okay, the sparking it will be happen. That means कनेक्शन ज्या वेळेस आपण टच केलेलं कनेक्शन आहे ते निघणार आहे. ओके, म्हणजे टच केलेलं कनेक्शन आहे ते एका विदिन अ फ्रॅक्शन ऑफ सेकंड साठी ते निघणार आहे. ऍट दॅट सिच्युएशन देयर इज अ स्पार्किंग इट विल बी हॅपन. ओके, सो दीज आर द प्रॅक्टिकल डिफिकल्टी इन केस ऑफ कम्युटेशन. सो सी आय विल शो ऍट दॅट सिच्युएशन ज्यावेळेस स्पार्किंग हॅपन होईल ऍट दॅट सिच्युएशन this commutator segment it will not carry a equal current, so there is a current distortion is there due to that sparking मुळे काय होईल current distortion होईल. So this current distortion it will be happen in case of practically or in practically the current distortion it will be happen. See in this figure बघा या फिगर मध्ये दाखवलेलं आहे. See in the figure 27.10e it will depict that the movement when coil B is almost at the end of commutation. म्हणजे ज्यावेळेस कॉइल बी आता एंड ऑफ कम्युटेशन ला आहे. मी अगोदर प्रोसेस सांगितली त्याचा एंड ऑफ कम्युटेशन ला असेल तर 10 एम्पियर इकडला घेईल 20 एम्पियर. दॅट मीन्स इट विल कॅरी अ 20 एम्पियर अँड टोटल करंट फ्लोइंग फ्रॉम दॅट ब्रश इट इज इक्वल्स टू 40 एम्पियर असं मी सांगितलं. बट ज्यावेळेस कॉइल इट इज अंडरगो कम्युटेशन एंड ऑफ कम्युटेशन म्हणजे कम्युटेशनच्या एंडला असेल at that situation what will happen, see there is a somewhat sparking it will be happen. Okay, त्याच्यामध्ये काय होतंय sparking happen होतंय और sparking it will be occur. So see here it is sparking it can be shown. याच्यामध्ये sparking दाखवलेलं आहे बघा. See here it is spark it will be happen when it will loses its contact. या दोन्हीच्या मधला ज्यावेळेस कॉन्टॅक्ट लूज होईल or this coil B it is end of commutation. commutation च्या end मध्ये असेल commutation end of commutation. At that situation there are sparking it will be happen. So when the sparking it will be happen at that situation this due to ionization there will be sparking it will be happen. At that situation this spark it will carry a some of the current and the current it will get distorted. Current काय will distort होईल. Not totally current get reverse. Totally current 20 ampere reverse होण्यापेक्षा because of sparking some of the current it will be flowing from this parallel path. या parallel path मधून काही current flow होईल. Suppose 5 ampere it will be flowing from this parallel path. From 20 ampere remaining current it will be flowing from this one. Remaining current जो आहे तो या coil मधून flow होईल. So this 15 ampere this 5 ampere. Hello, हाँ yes. Who will speak? I think anyone speak. Okay, let it be. See the current it will be flowing from this coil B. It is 15 ampere. 15 ampere current याच्यामधून flow होईल आणि due to sparking is occur here. इथं sparking झाल्यामुळं some of the current it will be flowing from this parallel path. याच्यामधून current flow होईल. So through a commutator segment B, through a spark, total current flowing from the brush it is nothing but 40 ampere, and the 35 ampere it will be flowing from here. Here this value we have taken for our understanding. Okay, हे जे काय value घेतले ते आपण understanding purpose साठी घेतलेले आहेत. So here 35 ampere it will be flowing from this coil, that this parallel path, and 5 ampere it will be flowing from this parallel path. So 35 ampere it will be flowing from commutator segment A and 5 ampere it will be flowing from this spark. The spark madun flow will while the end of commutation of coil B. म्हणजे coil B short circuit झाली होती एवढ्या वेळापर्यंत, म्हणजे D प्रोसेस पर्यंत coil काय झालेली आहे B शॉर्ट सर्किट झालेली आहे. ज्यावेळेस त्याचं शॉर्ट सर्किट कनेक्शन लॉस्ट होणार आहे दॅट मीन्स या पॉइंटला त्यावेळेस तिथं स्पार्किंग होणार आहे. सो सम करंट इट विल बी फ्लोइंग फ्रॉम दिस स्पार्क पॉइंट and the total current flowing from this commutator segment B is nothing but 40 ampere. ओके, सी दिस इज द प्रॅक्टिकल डिफिकल्टी. ही जी काय आहे प्रॅक्टिकल डिफिकल्टी आहे. सी the depict the movement of the coil B is almost at the end of commutation or the short circuit period. म्हणजे शॉर्ट सर्किट पिरियड जो आहे तो त्याचा एंड होणार आहे त्या कॉइलचा. फॉर आयडियल कम्युटेशन current through it should have reversed by now, but as shown it carry a 15 ampere only instead of 20 ampere. बघा कॉइल बी मधला करंट जो आहे तो रिव्हर्स झालेला आहे, दॅट मीन्स रिव्हर्स डिरेक्शन मध्ये आहे. बट तो त्यानं जो 20 एम्पियर करंट कॅरी करायला पाहिजे होता, बट ड्यू टू स्पार्किंग इट विल कॅरी 15 एम्पियर. ओके, जर आयडियल कम्युटेशन आपण म्हणू तर यानं 20 एम्पियर करंट कॅरी करायला पाहिजे होता. ओके, सो इफ देयर आर नो स्पार्किंग इज देयर, सो ऍट दॅट सिच्युएशन वी कॅन कॉल इट एज आयडियल कम्युटेशन. त्याला आपण आयडियल कम्युटेशन म्हणतो. and if the sparking it can be happen, so this is the practical difficulty or the practical commutation. So in that situation instead of carrying 20 ampere it will carry a 15 ampere current. म्हणजे 20 एम्पियर कॅरी करण्याऐवजी ते 15 एम्पियर करंट कॅरी करेल. सो रिमेनिंग 5 एम्पियर करंट इट विल बी passes or it will be jumps via this spark. Okay, see here the sentence is given. The difference of current between the coil C and B, that is 20 minus 50, it is equals to 5 ampere. In this case it will jump directly from the segment B कडून direct jump करेल via a brush through here, thus producing a spark. त्याच्यामुळे काय होतोय, spark produce होतोय. And ionization will, when ionization it will get ignited, so there are sparking will be happen and some current it will be flowing from this sparking point madun current काय will flow. So this is the practical difficulty. This is the practical difficulty. Okay, now similarly this process it can be done for each and every coil. Again for our understanding we have considered only one coil. Okay, so according to our definition of commutation, what is commutation? The reversal of current in the coil when the coil it will be passing from one pole to another pole, or coil it will be passing along the brush axis or along the MNA, magnetical neutral axis. Okay, so this process it is called as commutation. And what is ideal commutation? That means this commutation it will be happen or it will be done within the commutation period. Commutation it will be done within the commutation period. So this process it is called as ideal commutation. And what is practical? If there are some of the spark it will be happen due to sparking. There are some of the practical difficulty, it will damage sometimes of brushes or it may be commutator segment. Okay, ब्रशेस किंवा कम्युटेटर सेगमेंट काय होतील, स्पार्क मुळे काय होतील, दिस ब्रशेस as well as commutator segment it will get damaged. So this process it is nothing but an commutation process. Okay, समजतंय का? All of you getting this point of commutation, how the current it will be reverses? Who is this? Amit Jadhav. He has asked one question, commutator DC current is pure or pulsating DC. See, मी सांगितलं करंट कसा चेंज होतोय बघा. that means suppose I have drawn the waveform जर ड्रॉ केली तर मी काय केलं, पहिल्यांदा कंडिशन घेतली, ज्या वेळेस कम्युटेशनला स्टार्ट केले त्यावेळेस त्याच्यामधलं व्होल्टेज 0 होतं. सो दिस व्होल्टेज इट विल बी रिव्हर्सेस कसं होतंय बघितलं. साइन वेव्ह आहे, त्याचं इनपुट आउटपुट, दॅट इज इनपुट म्हणजे अल्टरनेटिंग करंट जनरेशन आहे आणि आउटपुट आपल्याला डीसीच्या फॉर्म मध्ये मिळतंय, बट इट इज पल्सेटिंग और प्युअर हे विचारले ना. सो सी, पहिल्यांदा 10 एम्पियर करंट आहे. ओके, 10 एम्पियर, देन 20 एम्पियर आहे त्या कॉइल मधून, परत काय होतोय, रिव्हर्स करंट येतोय. सो इट इज अगेन 10 एम्पियर and again it will sometimes 0. Okay, similarly 0 पासून परत इनक्रीज होतोय अपोजिट डिरेक्शन न. सो इट इज दॅट मीन्स या डिरेक्शन न परत सगळे जे काही कॉइल मधला करंट असेल तो या डिरेक्शन न असेल. सो सी, या कॉइल मधला डिरेक्शन इथं 20 येईल, परत 0. सो दिस वन इज लाईक दिस वन इज लाईक. सो आयदर इट इज पल्सेटिंग और प्युअर. हे प्युअर आहे का पल्सेटिंग आहे?
Pulsating.
So that means the output obtained from this commutation action, it is an pulsating DC, not a pure DC नाही, because आपण त्या व्हॅल्यू वरून लक्षात आला असेल तुमच्या कॉइल मधून फ्लो होणारा करंट या डिरेक्शन न 20 एम्पियर आहे, परत त्याचा 10 एम्पियर होतोय या डिरेक्शन न, परत याच्यामधून फ्लो होणारा 0 होतोय, परत अपोजिट डिरेक्शन न 10 एम्पियर, then again it will be 20 ampere. Okay, so that means direction changes and it is pulsating DC, it can be happen. Okay, लक्षात आलं का? Is there any doubt? Commutation process मध्ये काही डाऊट आहे का? It is very important point and also interesting point. I want to discuss regarding graph. मला परत ग्राफ ची डिस्कस करायचंय. Getting? लक्षात आलंय का? Hello, please give me reply. Anyone? Getting?
Yes,
no?
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that means just simply understand. Commutation, it is nothing but जी कॉइल आहे म्हणजे कम्युटेशन प्रोसेस मध्ये असेल ती कॉइल शॉर्ट सर्किट होते, या काही काळासाठी ती शॉर्ट सर्किट होईल. ओके, सो दिस शॉर्ट सर्किट पिरियड इज नथिंग बट कम्युटेशन पिरियड. ओके, आणि मग शॉर्ट सर्किट झाल्यानंतर काय होतं, त्या कॉइल मधल्या करंटची डिरेक्शन चेंज होते. ओके, so this is nothing but according to that definition is that reversal of current in the coil when the coil is passing from one pole to another pole, or it may be a coil is passing along brush axis. Okay, brush axis, or it may be magnetical neutral axis. So at that situation it will reverses its direction. त्याची direction काय होते? Reverse होते. Direction काय होईल? Reverse होईल. So this process it is nothing but commutation. And what is ideal commutation? That means this process म्हणजे कॉइल काही काळासाठी शॉर्ट सर्किट होते. This short circuiting process, if it is happen in the within time, given time मध्ये जर complete झाली, then it is commutation, it will be ideal. Commutation कसा असेल? Ideal असेल. If it will not completed within time मध्ये जर नाही complete झाली, then it is practical difficulty or sparking it will be happen. Commutator आणि ब्रश मध्ये दोन्हीच्या मध्ये काय होईल? Sparking happen will, so it will damage the brush or it may be commuted. Another one point is that this process in case of DC machine, it will be happen within a fraction of second. Okay, ही एवढं जे काय मी सांगितलं तुम्हाला एका कॉइलचं कन्सिडर करून आपण स्मॉल रोटेशन घेतलं म्हणजे पहिल्यांदा आपण 1/3 पार्टला टच होतंय म्हटलं, परत 50% पार्टला टच होते, परत 25% पार्टला टच होईल, परत 100% पार्टला टच. सो आपण स्मॉल घेतलं. इफ वी कन्सिडर द स्पीड ऑफ जनरेटरचं स्पीड सपोज 1500 RPM ला घेतलं, देन डेफिनेटली यू अंडरस्टँड दॅट दिस प्रोसेस इट विल बी हॅपन विदिन अ फ्रॅक्शन ऑफ सेकंड. काही सेकंदामध्येच ही प्रोसेस होते. ओके, सो दिस प्रोसेस इट विल बी हॅपन इन द सम सेकंड, लाईक सम ऑफ द मायक्रोसेकंड मध्ये हॅपन होते. This process it will be happen in the sum of the microsecond, or it may be sometimes it is in the second, and this process it will be completed within that period, then this is ideal commutation. It will not completed, then sparking will be happen. Now see the graph for that is that if the change of current through the coil B are plotted on the time base, जर हा जो काही चेंज होणारा करंट आहे आपण टाइम बेस मध्ये प्लॉट केला, इफ इट इज प्लॉटेड ऑन द विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम, at that situation it is shown in this figure. It will be represented by a horizontal line AB, that is a constant current 20 up to the time of being commutation from the finish of commutation. Okay, see हा ग्राफ, या ग्राफ वरून लक्षात येईल बघा. ओके, सी हा पार्ट A to B जो आहे, दॅट मीन्स फ्रॉम A to B ही कॉइल करंट कॅरी करते सपोज या डिरेक्शन, आणि कन्सिडर दिस डिरेक्शन इज पॉझिटिव्ह डिरेक्शन. ही पॉझिटिव्ह डिरेक्शन आहे. इट विल कॅरी अ करंट ऑफ 20 एम्पियर. 20 एम्पियर करंट कॅरी करते. बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द कम्युटेशन प्रोसेस, कम्युटेशन प्रोसेस स्टार्ट होण्याच्या अगोदर ती कॉइल या डिरेक्शन 20 एम्पियर करंट कॅरी करते, हे लक्षात ठेवा. व्हेन द कम्युटेशन इट विल बी स्टार्ट, the current of that it will be decreases. करंट त्याचा काय होतोय, परत 10 एम्पियर होतोय, त्याचा करंट 20 होता, परत 10 एम्पियर झाला, परत 0 एम्पियर आणि परत अपोजिट डिरेक्शन इन्क्रीज होतोय, दॅट इज 10 एम्पियर 20 एम्पियर. Okay, so see, that means the current in the coil, it will be decreases like from 20 to 10 पर्यंत येईल. Now it is decreases to 0 नंतर काय होईल, 0 नंतर जर आयडियल कन्सिडर केलं, हे डॉटेड लाईन लक्षात घेऊ नका तोपर्यंत. सो इफ इट इज आयडियल कम्युटेशन, आफ्टर 0 it will be increases to 10, but it is in reverse direction increase होतोय, so it will be like this. Okay, it will be like this, and परत it is 20 ampere, so it will be constant at 20 ampere in the opposite direction, ही positive direction, in negative direction, and this middle period, that is from B to C, it is the time of commutation, or it is nothing but commutation period. Okay, so this one time of commutation, or it is commutation period. Within that, the current, it will be changed. After direction, reverse direction, the current remains, that coil, it will be same in case of ideal. Okay, see, from the finish of commutation, here it is start of commutation राहील, इथं commutation start होते, here it is finish of commutation, इथं commutation काय झाले, finish झाले. Okay, so after finish of commutation, the coil, it will be carry a full load current, that is full current of that parallel path, or for that coil in opposite direction, or this is nothing but reversal of current or opposite direction न coil काय होते, current carry करते. See, from the finish of commutation, the current will be represented by another horizontal line, that is CD. Okay, finish of commutation मध्ये current काय दाखवलंय, CD न, that means CD, it will carry a total current of 20 ampere. Okay, so see, now again the current value is FC, again the current value, it is FC. So see here, this FC becomes total current value, this FC point here F and here C, it is nothing but total current 20 ampere. Okay, so it is constant after end of commutation, but in case of practical, we consider practical way जर consider केलं, so at that situation, some current, it will be flowing from this up to point K, and this 5 ampere, it will be flowing from sparking. हा जो काय current असेल, so sparking न flow होईल, so this becomes total 20 ampere. So sparking current 5 plus current reversal 15, so total current, it is nothing but 20 ampere. See, now again the current value FC, it is equals to 20, although in this reverse direction, in the way in which current changes from its positive value 20A, that is which is shown in B. So हा जो काय 20A आहे to 0 ला येईल, then its negative value 20 ampere, that is CF जी काय negative value असेल 20 ampere, it will depends on the condition under which the coil B undergo commutation. म्हणजे हे कशावरती डिपेंड आहे, कोणत्या कंडिशनला coil B undergo commutation मध्ये आहे, or undergo short circuit period मध्ये आहे. So it is depends upon the coil condition, it is depends upon condition of that coil which is undergo commutation. So this is just a graph. If the current varies at uniform rate, जर uniform rate न current vary होत असेल, then this coil, it is a straight line, it is referred as a ideal commutation or a linear commutation. See, as I have tell, मी सांगितलं तुम्हाला, that means see, I will rub this coil, this line BC, ही जी काही line BC आहे from B to C, that is a straight line BC. This straight line BC, जर हा current uniform rate नी change झाला, then this line, it is a straight line, starting पासून ती end पर्यंत line काय येईल, straight line येईल. So this straight line commutation, it is called as ideal commutation or linear commutation. त्या प्रोसेसला straight line commutation or linear commutation असं म्हणतात. Now see, this is nothing but straight line commutation or the linear correction. However, due to the production of self-induced EMF in the coil, the variation follow the dotted curve. Okay, जर त्याच्यामध्ये self-induced coilचा self-induced EMF जर consider केला, at that situation sometimes sparking it will be happen, and due to sparking there is a variation, and this variation it will be shown in this line. या लाईन मध्ये दाखवल्याप्रमाणे व्हेरिएशन आहे. ओके, so this line shows that the dotted line it will be shows that the sum of the variation due to the self induced EMF and the sparking मुळे आणि self induced EMF मुळे करंट काय होईल, युनिफॉर्म रेटनी चेंज होणार नाही. सो करंट इट विल नॉट चेंज बाय युनिफॉर्म रेटनी चेंज होणार नाही. सो ॲट दॅट सिच्युएशन इट सीन दॅट इन द केस current in the coil B has reached only a value KF 15 ampere. म्हणजे coil B चा रिव्हर्स झालेला करंट फक्त 15 ampere आहे. Remaining current it will be flowing via spark C. The reverse direction, hence the difference of the 5 ampere passes as a spark. राहिलेला जो काही 5 ampere करंट आहे it will be passes from the spark, it will be happen between brush and commutator segment. ब्रश आणि कम्युटेटर सेगमेंट मध्ये जो काही स्पार्क हॅपन होईल त्या स्पार्क थ्रू हा रिमेनिंग करंट काय होईल, पास होईल. सो वी कन्क्लूड दॅट स्पार्किंग ॲट द ब्रश which result in the poor commutation is due to the inability of the current in the short circuited coil to reverse completely by the end of short circuit period. ओके, जर ब्रशच्या आणि कॉइलच्या मध्ये स्पार्किंग होत असेल, सो इट्स रिझल्ट is nothing but the poor commutation, not a good commutation or the poor commutation. Okay, and it is due to inability of the current in the short circuited coil. म्हणजे शॉर्ट सर्किटेड कॉइल जी आहे त्याची करंट कॅरी करण्याची ॲबिलिटी जी आहे ती or it is inability of that current while it gets short circuited. ज्यावेळेस ती शॉर्ट सर्किट होईल त्यावेळेस त्याच्यामधली करंट कॅरी करण्याची जी काय कॅपॅसिटी असेल ती अनेबल असेल. ओके, so to reverse completely by the end of short circuit period, that means it will not reverse completely at the end of short circuiting period. So this is the practical commutation and this is the ideal commutation. Okay, so this is nothing but practical and ideal commutation. Now see, the main cause which retards or delay the quick reversal is the production of self induced EMF. ओके, म्हणजे कॉइलचा ज्या वेळेस करंट रिव्हर्स होतोय सो त्याच्यामध्ये जो काही डिले येईल, सो दिस डिले इट विल बी ड्यू टू सेल्फ इंड्युस्ड EMF. इट विल बी ड्यू टू द सेल्फ इंड्युस्ड EMF ऑफ दॅट ऑफ कॉइल. म्हणजे कॉइल मध्ये स्वतः इंड्यूस होणारा EMF असेल, coil having an inductance L di upon dt. So this induced EMF, due to that self induced EMF, the coil it will having an some of the delay to reverse होण्यासाठी काय होईल, delay होईल. Okay, now the coil possesses appreciable amount of self inductance because it lies embedded in the armature which is built up of the material of high magnetic permeability. म्हणजे कॉइल जी आहे that is coil self inductance. This coil having an appreciable self inductance, म्हणजे self inductance पाहिजे, and the material which is used for making a coil made करण्यासाठी जे मटेरियल यूज केलेले having an high magnetic permeability, त्याची जी काय magnetic permeability असेल, so it should be high. That means it is having a low reluctance permeability, it should be high. So this self induced EMF is known as reactance voltage. Self induced EMF हा जो काय सेल्फ इंड्युस्ड EMF आहे ज्याच्यामुळे कम्युटेशन प्रोसेस मध्ये डिले होतोय. ओके, that self induced EMF it is called as reactance voltage. Okay, it is called as reactance voltage, and this voltage even though a small magnitude, जर ते voltage small magnitude चा असेल, so then also it will produces a large current through the coil whose resistance is very low due to short circuit. Okay, जरी हे voltage, that is reactance voltage, that means self induced EMF, if it is less, जरी तो less असेल, then also it will produce a large current. तरी पण तो काय करतोय, large current produce करतोय because the coil it gets short circuited. Coil काय झाले, short circuit झाले, having an resistance is very low. Okay, so having an resistance is very low, so at that situation it will produces a large current, and due to that large circulating current large असल्यामुळे it will causes a sparking at the brush. त्याच्यामुळे काय होते, ब्रशच्या अक्रॉस स्पार्किंग होईल, और ड्यू टू दॅट स्पार्किंग झाल्यामुळे काय होईल, अनड्यू हिटिंग ऑफ द ब्रश एज वेल एज कम्युटेटर सेगमेंट हीट होतील, as well as unnecessary wear of the component, that means wear and tear, घर्षण त्या दोन्ही कंपोनंट मधलं wear unnecessary cause होईल, as well as sparking झाल्यामुळे some part it will get damage of the top commutator segment as well as brush, and naturally this effect is undesirable and the circulating current it may be must be eliminated. Okay, naturally it is undesirable or it is not good. So the circulating current should be eliminated. Circulating current nahi pahiजे, that is induced EMF. Okay, so self induced EMF or reactance voltage it should not be present. त्याच्यामध्ये reactance voltage or the self induced EMF, not because a small value of self induced EMF, जरी self induced EMF ची small value असेल, it should get or it should produce a large current through the coil. कॉइल मधून फ्लो होणारा जो काही करंट असेल इट इज लार्ज असेल. सो ड्यू टू दॅट सर्क्युलेटिंग करंट इज लार्ज, द ब्रशेस देयर इज अ स्पार्किंग, इट विल बी हॅपन, स्पार्किंग होईल त्याच्यामध्ये, अँड ड्यू टू दॅट स्पार्किंग द इट विल गेट डॅमेज, ते डॅमेज होईल, आयदर इट मे बी कम्युटेटर और इट मे बी ब्रश और समटाइम्स बोथ, and unnecessary wear and tear it will be happen in between commutator segment and ब्रशच्या मध्ये आणि कम्युटेटरच्या मध्ये अननेसेसरी वेअर अँड टियर हॅपन होईल. सो दिस इज द रिझल्ट ऑफ बॅड कम्युटेशन. ओके, बॅड कम्युटेशनचा हा रिझल्ट असेल और पोअर कम्युटेशनचा रिझल्ट असेल. ओके, सो दिस इज नथिंग बट अन कम्युटेशन प्रोसेस. ओके, so this is nothing but commutation, and this is the ideal and practical commutation and some of the difficulties in case of commutation. Okay, getting? Is there any doubt? Hello, please give me reply. Is there any doubt? Anyone? Please reply anyone. Is there any doubt? काही डाऊट आहे का? काही समजलं नाही? बोला, काहीतरी बोला. Without your reply I can't understand whether the those concept I have tell whether the understand or it is totally not understand. Meaning of that it is totally not understand or meaning of that it is fully understand. डाऊट आहे का काय कोणाला? समजलंय का?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So in this way we will conclude this today's lecture and we will stop here.